this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new jewelry unjarring. I got this from Savers for $9.99. So let's go ahead and crack it open. Maybe we'll have some good luck and find another gold necklace.
Yay!
That might have just been a fluke, huh? Let's get my glasses so I can see. We're going to lay her down. There we go. Let me just pull out. Let me take this tape off. Nothing in particular about this jar made me select it. So maybe that's a good thing. Okay. Wow, there's a lot of pretty bracelets in here. This one is Mother of Pearl. Oh, I think it's beautiful. I don't see any markings like Avon or anything. So it's just generic, but it's very, very pretty. Mother of Pearl. Okay. And then this one looks like Moonstone. Oh, there's a stone missing, but maybe it's inside of our jar. You never know. It's very pretty. Look at that. Here's the back. I don't see any markings on it. So no Avon there either. Very pretty. Bracelets are going to the right. I got little buckets. I got these little buckets from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using them to separate the jewelry out. Okay. This is a brass or bronze bracelet, and it's gorgeous. It has this inlay in it. It's got a little crack right here and here. So this is some sort of stone. This is hieroglyphics. Very pretty. Very pretty. This is hematite and glass blue beads. Pretty. This is hematite and glass blue beads in a charm. It says handmade with love. Nice. This is very pretty. These wiggle. They are sliders. I don't see any missing stones. Very pretty. And of course it's not marked, but man.
Yours now.
Oh, and here we go. My mom is hanging out with us today, guys. Okay, this says American Pie, which is a movie. Very cute bracelet. This is different. This is a stretchy bracelet, but doesn't have a lot of stretch. So maybe for a little girl. This is handmade. It's very cute too. They did a great job except for this little green thing. I'm not really fond of that because it's with pink beads. Kind of weird. Just kind of like came out of nowhere. Oh, let's see what does this say? What would Jesus do? I love this bracelet. I might keep this. WWJD 2? No, question mark. Awesome. We'll just leave that out because I might keep that. Another girl bracelet. Very little stretch. This is very pretty. I know people who like to wear these. It's all wood beads. Very pretty. Probably made in India. They do really fine work like this. But that's just me. What is this? Looks like a nice big chain. Oh Lord. Let's get this out of here. This chain is holding these. I don't think these belong on this chain, but this looks like a charm that used to be silver at one time. And this is a nice little chain. Someone just threw it on there, I'm sure. I don't know what the C stands for. That's okay. I don't have to know. Alright. Very pretty chain, too. Okay. Then we have this butterfly necklace, which is very pretty because it's of what? Orange. My favorite color. Alright, there we go. Look at that, guys. It's so pretty. Look at that. The butterfly, the beads at the bottom.
It's different.
Yeah. Very summertime. Yeah. And long. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. And then this is a really long necklace. There we go. Very pretty. These are acrylic beads. And then there's a clasp on it, which, you know, nobody needs a clasp on something this long. You guys have heard me say that. You just don't need it. But it's very pretty. Here's another one that's very pretty. Red. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh Lord, that's all. They put so much stuff in here, it got stuck. What is this? Oh, it says Idaho.
No,
I was just thinking, right? And it opens to a picture frame. It's a keychain from Idaho with a picture frame in it. Very nice. Ooh, look at that cross bracelet. Ooh, I love it. Wow, and these beads on here are so heavy, and they have inlaid crystals. Wow. Nuts.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
This is a beautiful bracelet. Let's see. It's got a really different clasp on here. Look at this clasp. Interesting. It doesn't seem to be marked with anything. But very pretty. I forget what this type of link is. Gucci link or something like that? I don't either. Alright, then we have, woo, these are heavy too. Glass pearl beads. These are so pretty. And they're bracelets, of course. Excuse me. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so we have two charm bracelets. One, they're both identical. So let's just look at one. We have a lion right there, and that feels like pewter. This is a coat of arms. This is a sheep. Yep, that's a sheep. I think this might be religious.
Good from Scotland.
Oh, it's Twilight!
Oh.
Oh my gosh! Maybe that's not a lion. Maybe that's a wolf. It looks like a lion. I don't remember there being any lions in the Twilight. That's so cute. And then there's an apple. Okay, and there's two identical ones. I'm stoked about that. This is a very pretty necklace. I'm so glad I haven't had, except for one broken one. That's nice. This is very pretty. Again, no clasp needed, but they got one anyway. Alright. Let's see if we can get some of these out of here. I don't even know how they got them in here. This is one of the ones that was stopping me from getting in here. Another one. I think we're good to go. Ooh, looky, looky. So this says WGIRL.
Little girl?
Cowgirl.
Oh.
That's cute. How cute is that? With the little heart clasp. So adorable. I love it. Now we're getting some good stuff. This is really pretty. Oh, what's this from? I like the little crystal stations. Let's find out who made this. I see a little mark on here. Right here. I cannot tell what that is. I can't tell what it is. I'll take a closer look later, but that's really pretty. This one is a gorgeous bracelet too. Look at the crystals in here. That's beautiful. And then this is a nice solid bracelet. No Avon or any of those people, but it's pretty. Here is a, oh, it's another Masolota pearl, glass pearl bracelets. The other ones were big pearls. Here's the big ones, and then now we have the little ones. Nice. There's another Twilight bracelet. Yay. This is a pretty bracelet. It's not, oh look, it's got a little button. So you put it on like that. So cute. So cute. This is a cool belly dancer bracelet. Very pretty. Okay, this one has a name on it. Let's see. Catherine. Alright, Catherine. Somebody lost your clasp on. Oh my god, this is the clasp right here. I've never seen this. This must be old. Oh, I'm sure. See, there's the clasp. Isn't that weird? I've never seen that before. I'll let my mom take a look. But that says Catherine. Excuse me. This is a glass beaded bracelet. Very pretty. Okay, here is a pearl necklace to go with all those. Oh, and they're glass too. To go with all those bracelets. That's nice. Here is another one of those bracelets. It's got the crystals in there. Very pretty.
I think it's a scissors clasp,
Oh, okay.
like you have on pins and brooches.
Could be. Oh, wait a minute. It was stuck. Oh, I'll have to try it later. I want to get it open. This is a very cute bracelet. Bungee. Elastic. This is plastic, but they are so pretty. You know, even for plastic. Very pretty. Then we have glass green beads. Green is my mother's favorite color. There is an earring. Let's see what it says. Maybe it's Trifari. Maybe. It may or may not say anything. Let's see. Monet. Very pretty. Monet earring. It's a clip. Maybe the other one is in here. You never know. That's our first earring though. Alright, here is a bracelet. It has a big old lobster clasp on here. Let's go ahead and hook it up. There we go. And that's how pretty that one is. Gorgeous. I used to wear a lot of this type of jewelry when I was working. This is a stretch bracelet. Very cute. Oh man, this is really long, and it's graduated beads. Very pretty. It's that fabric wrapped bead. Very pretty. Okay, this is the end of the jar, y'all. I think we did good going through it little by little. This is another keychain. It's a I forget what that's called. It blows stuff up. No, it's a machine. It's a battle machine.
Tank?
Tank. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, goodness. And then there is, let's see, a very pretty choker. Very pretty. How'd this get over there? What's this? I think this is a bracelet. Yeah. Very cute bracelet. All these pink hearts. Chunky. I like chunky too. And then this is very pretty. It's a dolphin on a rope. So pretty. Necklace. And then this is a stretch bracelet. These are hematite and crystals. Some cat's eye beads. Very cute. No extra earring, y'all. Darn it. This thing just, it don't want to let go of nothing. It just wants to be everywhere. Alright, this is a dog tag with a skeleton on there and a pink bandana. Cute. This is a velvet choker. And this is a dainty, dainty little gold tone necklace. So, very pretty. Very tiny. Cute though. And then you got a pair of earrings. And these I get all the time. Oh, this one says, I love you. Laughlin, Nevada. Well, I'm not in love with gambling, but that's a cute coin. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.